I'm very sorry to say that, my lord, that's item number 4. Maybe for just clerical mistake of numbering of the pages.
Huh?
The item number 4 is just clerical mistake of paging of numbering of annexure. Let me for the 2 minutes for just correction, my lord.
Mayor, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, I would like to mention item number 10, my lord.
10.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Can it be listed after 2 weeks, my lord?
Why?
But I am not prepared, my lord. I am not prepared, my lord.
What is the matter?
I am seeking rent, my lord. Here I am seeking rent. Rental compensation from the Union of India, my lord.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. B. Picha, Land Council put a petition, list this matter after 4 weeks.
My lord. God bless.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 8. My lord,
Item number?
item number 8.
8.
Yes, my lord,
Yes.
I respectfully pray that this matter may be list before another.
Why?
Uh,
Okay, list before any other appropriate bench without me.
My lord, furthermore, I would also like to mention item number 27, 28, and 29 and 30.
Why?
My lord, this is an analogous matter, my lord.
Your Lordship, in 27
My
to
lord-
30, Your Lordship appeared on behalf of the state government, Your Lordship.
State government.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Then in that case, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. List these matters before any other appropriate bench without me.
My lord.
May I, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention one unlisted WPC matter of your lordship. One unlisted.
New
writ
matter.
petition. Yes, your lordship.
New matter.
Yeah.
What is the matter?
Writ petition, your lordship. Writ petition number 20.
It is for withdrawal, my lord.
Withdrawal.
Yes.
Lord, bring it before one.
Lord, I beg to mention item number 6
6.
on
Yes.
behalf of Standing Council
Land management.
Health and Family Welfare.
What is this?
This is with respect to the cancellation of LPC. The health department has been implemented letter. We need to file affidavit in English.
On the prayer of Mr. Arko, Learned Council, appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tagum, Learned Standing Council, Health Department, submits that it's in place for and is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit. Less up to 3 weeks.
Item number 1. This is anticipatory bail application, lordship.
Yes.
Kindly see the bell. Page
Your
number 16.
name is there
Yes.
in the FIR.
FIR.
You have sold off the
I have.
dumper. Allegation is that you have sold off the dumpers of the informant.
Yes, that is the allegation.
Where's the FIR? Where's the FIR?
Page number 16, annexure 1.
Yes.
Kindly see this in the FIR. It has mistakenly
Mustaq Rahman.
Mustaq Rahman. I am not Mustaq Rahman, Mustaq Ahmad. Kindly see, we have an agreement with the
But
complainant.
you are the one who alleged to have sold the dumpers.
Yes.
Yes, then?
No, it is the allegation. Actually, this is the
Where is
the complainant.
Where is
see
the agreement?
Kindly see page number 22, annexure 3. This is the
Deed of sale is made on
deed
29
between
July.
Tata Hitler and Mustaq Ahmad.
You are Mustaq Ahmed.
Yes.
This Mustaq
There-
Ahmed appears to be appears to be see, double writing is there.
Yes. Mustaq Ahmad has perceived.
Name Mustaq has been appears to be double writing.
No, that is not the issue here, Lordship.
I am asking. It appears to be a double writing here.
I have
Who has said there is not issue?
I have not found, Lordship.
It's here, page 22.
Page 22, yes. Mustaq
Yes,
Ahmad.
Mustaq.
M
M is correct. USTAB appears to be double written.
MUSTAB.
Yes,
A
this
is
appears
ABD.
to be doubly written.
Yes, AAC MED, Ahmed.
USTAB. I think Mr. Tapak, it's item you should put on power glass.
MUSTAB, Mustaf. MUSTAB, correct name is?
You look at this, it appears to be, there is a double writing in this alphabets, USTAB. Look at that. Page 22. You don't have the brief. Madam,
Yes, Lordship.
you don't have the brief.
Lordship, it is in another file, Lordship. It's wrongly placed in another file, Lordship. Lordship, case study may be called for, Lordship. Moreover, Lordship, he's in the FIR, Lordship. He's the main accused.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes,
This
Lordship.
is-
Kindly see Lordship. This is-
No, here you are relying on the agreement, deed of sale.
Lordship, Mustaf Ahmad and Mustaq Rahman is the same thing, Lordship. Same main, Lordship.
May I submit in full
It's
length?
the same one, Lordship.
In full length submission, Lordship. Kindly see.
What full length? Or
Already-
Mr. T. Tapak, learned counsel for the petitioner, applicant. Next, this is an application under section 482 of BNSS 2023. Praying for grant of privilege of pre-arrest bail to the accused, namely Mustab Ahmad, in connection with Chimpu PS case number 34 of 2024 under section 406, 468, 470 and 420 IPC. Next paragraph. Call for the case diary.
Monday, Lordship.
Huh?
Monday or
Call
Tuesday.
for the
Lordship.
case diary. MS Elhage Learned Edition PP appears for the state. Next para.
$23, Lordship. And the Monday case study may be called for on Monday.
Just wait. So interim,
Lordship.
Interim may be granted.
Interim, Lordship, not necessarily. Lordship. On the Monday only, we have processing case study because he is the main accused, Lordship. And moreover, Lordship, in the connected cases, Lordship already granted bail that these two.
but that has not
accused,
been
Lordship.
complied. The
Yes,
condition
Lordship.
has
Yes,
been
Lordship.
complied. We'll see on Monday. We'll see the case diary. List on 23/01 to 2024.
Much obliged.
Item number 2.
Yeah, my lord. My lord, this writ petition, I would like to withdraw this writ petition.
Why?
And there are so many mistaken, so
What
we'll file press one.
But otherwise, why? You are the member of the committee. You recommended yourself. What is this?
Yes.
What mistake is there? We'll stay the promotion order.
Okay, then we'll have to amend some
What is
pages,
this?
some pages.
Have you checked it?
Yes.
He is one of the member of the
Members.
DPC.
Yes.
And he himself recommended his name. Very strange. But Mr. So-and-so,
T. Kamchi.
learned counsel for the petitioners, press that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition with the liberty to file fresh. This the prayer is allowed. Writ petition stand dismissed on withdrawal as and with the liberty as prayed for.
My lord.
He's coming back again. Don't worry.
Yes.
You think about it.
Marriage.
Yes.
Lordship, here, I have challenged the Union letter dated 1/6/2024, whereby my candidature has been declared ineligible for award of retail outlet dealership of Hindustan Petroleum. Lordship.
Yes. Mr. Tapak is not there.
Lordship,
Mr. Tapak, you are not the standing counsel here. This is what? But respondent is? Hindustan Petroleum. No,
Yes.
not all India.
No,
Okay. Heard Mr. Z gets learned counsel for the petitioner. Next para. By filing this petition, the petitioner has put to challenge the impugn letter dated 01/06/2024 issued by the, where it is? Where it is?
Page number, Lordship, page number 65.
65. Where it is?
First,
Issued by whom?
issued by,
Head of the, huh?
yes, Lordship. Head of the regional office.
Head of regional office,
It's in page number 66.
Hindustan
Petroleum Corporation.
Petroleum Corporation Limited. Whereby whereby the candidature of the petitioner has been found ineligible ineligible for what?
Lordship,
For award of RO dealership, retail outlet,
yes,
retail outlet dealership at then within 1 kilometer of Kameng TPT Cooperative Society Limited in Bomdila town, West Kameng district, Arunachal Pradesh, under ST category pursuant to the advertisement on 28/06/2023. Next panel. Mr. T. Gates, learned counsel by the petitioner, contains that pursuant to the advertisement. What is the advertisement?
Lordship, I have not annexed the
Arey yaar.
advertisement.
Pursuant to the advertisement dated 28/06/2023, petitioner has applied for 28/06/2023 for award of retail outlet dealership at 1 kilometer of Kameng TPT Cooperative Society in Bomdila town in the district of West Kameng, Arunachal Pradesh, under ST category. What I said? Pursuant to the advertisement. Yes, yes. For award of. So in Arunachal Pradesh, ST category was selected. The petitioner was selected for the retail outlet dealership, and thereafter, please stop. Thereafter, you have submitted all the requisite
Yes,
the documents. Thereafter, the petitioner submitted all the requisite documents along with the fees.
yes, Lordship.
Please stop. Documents including the what land, what do you call the, what is the certificate?
Yes, Lordship. Security fees of 30,000.
No, there's the documents include land evolution visited the upper university. Land deed, or what is land lease deed?
Land lease deed and
Including the land lease deed and the security deposit as required in terms of the guidelines. This stuff. However, the respondent authorities illegally issued the impugn order that is 01/06/2024. on the purported decision of the Land Evolution Committee that the offered land does not meet required dimension as per advertisement. Mr. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. Land counsel for the petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon all the respondents. Respondent number 1 and 2 by registered post so and so. Huh? What is your interim?
Lordship, since it's not been finalized, still returnable, it may be stayed, the finalization of the process may be stayed.
Having next para, having considered that the petitioner was selected for RO dealership under ST category and was selected RO dealership under ST category and has submitted all the required documents and the security deposit. Come on, till the returnable date. No, the responsible authorities shall not finalize the award of RO dealership in respect of 1 kilometer in respect of the dealership at 1 kilometer of coming TPP Cooperative Society Limited in Bombila town in West Kannur district. This after 4 weeks. Take your
My lord, it is the regarding of the plotting of tenders. Regarding of the plot of tenders for the recruitment of that the main program of the film television institute of the Oma. My lord, here is the PD project director of that Papumpari district and call for invite for the NIT. Accordingly, so that I am participated, that I am the selected as a low bidder, as a intent awarded as a among that within the 3 firms. My lord, that my challenging of today's is that, hello, please see the annexure 1. I'm agree is that annexure 12, my lord, page 56 is impium order passed by the learned deputy commissioner.
Page 56.
Yes, who's
Yes.
challenging this order, my lord. Here is my lord, page 56, annexure 8, the order passed by the learned deputy commissioners, the Papumpari district. The whereas as per the directive of the SRFT Calcutta, this office has issued a letter inviting notice, inviting tender, NIT, advertised numbers, and so, and dated 12/10/2024 for selection of outsource agency for engagement of contextual manpower of various category of non-academic posts under the FTI, Arunachal Pradesh. FTI means Film Television Institute of Arunachal. Whereas accordingly, letter of intent for the successful bidders was issued in favor of MS, MB Store, Papumpari district, and LOI number event that is 6/11/2024. That is I am a proprietor of MB bidders, my lord. I am a proprietor, a successful bidders.
Complaint lodged by Sri Tabakunia.
Here is that now consequent upon receipt of the complaint letter lodged by the Sri Tabakunia, GPM, Navam Radhe, landowners, and other regarding the cancellation of recruitment of staff through private outsource agency based on the complaints and agreements between the PDs and successful L1
Between the
LOC.
PD, RD and the successful LOI holder could not be executed. Yes,
Not
if
be-
it cannot be executed, it's a outsource of staff,
Not be-
outsourcing of the staff.
my lord. Thereafter, my lord.
Well,
here-
just issue notice, nothing.
My lord,
You cannot
yes,
stay.
my lord, here is that, my lord, here is that I'm a successful bidder.
Doesn't
I-
matter what is the work.
My
It's
lord,
outsourcing of staff.
my lord,
And there's a complaint regarding appointment and outsourcing. So until the time it is settled, how can you be allowed?
my lord, please see the annexures,
It's okay, I've understood.
my lord, please see the annexures 53.
It's not kind of
My lord, please,
execution
it's
of work, something like that.
Already did the successful bidders. I have.
That is,
already
we have
the
seen is,
security
you have been
deposit.
issued
I-
LOI also.
My lord, this is a very interference of that order local MLAs.
We don't
As
know.
per the direction, political interference.
Where it is?
And please see the minute of meetings, please see the annexure, my lord. Annexures 10 of page 56, 58,
58.
yes.
Yes, minutes of the meeting.
Yes, my
Yes.
lord. This is minute of meetings, which was held on the 12th December 2024 at DC Conference Hall, my lord. Now, my lord, please see the last paragraph of this minute of meetings. Therefore, the deliberate discussion by all the members, present honorable MLA, 40 Duimuk, Sri Navam Viveks, verbally directed PD. There is interference, verbally directed. His interference for the carry out the war, for the affirmation of this against of these successful bidders, my lord. This is the, my lord, total political interference of verbally directed and threatening to that authority by the deputy directors and deputy commissioners and that PD, my lord. So that compelled to be authority has cancel of the successful bidders, my lord.
You read serial number 2. Regarding the recruitment,
Yes, my lord. The serial number 2, the regarding of recruitment rules through the government departments, SFF has stated that it has been the full authority to the DC. Papumpare, for recruitment through the any out source or third party agency. That who are the third party, my lord? Here is I am a third party. I am a tender bidder. As
you,
per,
sir, read complete,
yes, my lord.
read the complete sentence.
Here regarding that the recruitment through the government departments, SFF has stated that given full authority to DC Papumpare for the recruitment through any outsource of the third party agency or government bodies as selected as authorities by the DC office following the term due quarter formalities. My lord, here is as per NIT is there. All the NIT has mentioned all the rule and regulations, all the corporate formalities is maintained here, my lord. The act, DC had to directly with appointments, the government bodies. The third party should be invited through the NIT.
What is the rule?
My lord,
Where is the rule? Where it should be either outsourced or by third party?
yes, my lord, please see
Third party
that.
agency.
Yes, my lord. My lord, please come to the annexure 2 of page 15.
Yes.
This is the government of Arunachal Pradesh Office of the Project Directors.
Hmm.
They are the Papumpare district, notice of invitings to ensure.
Who is disputing this? I'm asking what is the rule to appoint through, the staff should be appointed through outsource or the third party?
Yes, my lord, I'll come to the point. This all the
Come to the main point. When in the motion stage, you just show me a rule that the staff of the NIT,
Yes, yes,
NIT or FTI? FTI, FTI
FTI.
have to be appointed
Yes, my
only
lord,
through the outsourcing or
yes,
by
sir.
third
Yes.
party?
my lord, please see the page 16. The tender for the selection of the outsourced manpower agency for engagement of the contractual staff for FTI of Arunachal Pradesh.
Is it a rule? Is
This
it a
is-
rule?
My lord, this is the name of the word, name of the word. Now let's come to the rules, my lord, paragraph wise and serial wise, my lord.
This is a petition, sir, drafted by you. You
Yes.
just point out what the rules, what the requirements, it should be outsourced or it should be appointed through the third party.
Yes,
That's
yes,
all. So
Yes,
on
my
that,
lord. My lord, please see that page 17. Page
Yes.
17, Page 17, my lord. That is the NITs of the inviting of the rules. What is the rule and regulation of this NIT is yes. The tender.
I am not asking the rules and regulation of NIT. I don't find any rules and regulation of the, it is the terms and condition of the NIT.
My lord, that is my.
You just point out, where is the,
FTI. My lord,
what is the
term-
rule?
But my lord, term and condition of the FTI. That is the Film Television Institute of that HOMA. That is the rule is there as per rule. His guideline is totally frame here. Is annexed as per this manuals.
That I'm asking, what is the office memorandum or decision or the of the FTI or any rules, any semblance of notification that it has the staff to be recruited through
Are outsourced agency.
outsource or by the through our third party.
Yes, ma'am.
You have taken a decision, an advertisement, NIT was issued, LO was given to you, there was a law and order situation.
Yes, my lord, I am L1 as per the bidder.
Who is disputing? It's a cancellation. Where is the cancellation? Is it cancelled your LOI?
My lord, this is 56.
Under the above circumstances, the attendant for selection of outsourced agency for engagement by staff for FTA is already still cancelled till further. Wait for your turn, will issue notice at best, nothing. Suppose if we stay, can you recruit them, recruit the staff despite opposition of the landowners and other all this thing? You cannot. That will be impossible for you.
No, my lord.
At best,
that-
you approach the civil court for damages
My lord,
against the authority.
the complainant is.
But today we are issuing a notice.
No, my lord.
Hard, Mr.
My lord, I thought this is a very serious matter. If the main.
It's not a serious matter. Is
But,
it serious is that if you
Because of that, my lord, I am starting of the war. If I am starting of my war for the recruitment of.
how? That's why you have there's a remedy under the law. You file a damage suit against the authority.
So, my lord.
Definitely you will succeed.
My lord, I
Go for damage suit.
representation submit before the authority, for the reconsideration of that.
We'll say that
I please see my
the representations, the
representation also. Please
pendency
annex
shall
your
not be,
section
pendency shall not be about to consider your representation. We'll say that.
11.
All right.
Otherwise, my lord, my friend, that after beginning the interview, let be this representation will dispose as per law after giving of interview, my lord. That order will be passed.
Yes,
Give interim order that after the dispose of this
interim order.
passing of interim order, the passing of this representation to be disposed.
Sir, don't think about the shortcut. Go for long term. Shortcut cuts your future. Go for long term. Heard, Mister?
My lord, if this interim order not the intented, not the interruption from this honorable court,
Yes.
the due to involvement of this honorable MLA, may recruitment may be immediately by the deputy commissioner. I may L1.
Will provide that the pendency of the writ petition shall not be barred for consider your representation. In taking into account that, see, how you can start started recruiting? Because first the agreement has to be signed.
The
The
my lord,
only LOI was
the-
issued.
My lord, please see that the annexure, page 53,
Hmm.
annexure 4,
Hmm.
page 53, my lord, please see.
What's there? What is there, sir?
This is my awarded and L1 letter of intended that issued by.
Letter of intent appear after what is the next?
Next, my lord,
Next
as
step.
per as per the demand of this L1,
Hmm.
I deposited the security. Reported that the security deposited, that is the performance of bank grantee, report the PG, I have submitted. And all the formalities I have fulfilled, my lord.
You haven't,
Here, my lord, please come, this, as per demand of this, I have totally fulfilled. I am
you have
bank-
sufficient or ample remedy under the law. I'm just indicating. It's not all the writ, if
my lord,
if you are aggrieved by any action of the authority, it's not all the writ petition should be filed. There's a remedy under the law. Other remedies are also there. No one disputing. Your L1, LOI was issued,
yes, ma'am.
agreement could not be signed because of all these circumstances. All right, we'll see what is
That's
there.
why,
What
my
is
lord,
there
that's why
step?
the agreement is not due to intervention of the honorable local MLA. Due to local MLA,
Is
due
it-
to
is
political
it-
interference,
Is it his jurisdiction?
he is motivated to the.
No,
solve
he,
the
is it his,
complainant,
is it
even
his,
also, my lord, complainant also.
is it
letter
is
not effectively.
this
completely-
area
cannot
comes,
let
falls
the-
under his jurisdiction or not?
My lord,
Whether this issue and area comes under his jurisdiction
yes,
or not?
yes, yes,
Then,
it's doing jurisdiction, doing jurisdiction, local MLA
what for?
jurisdiction.
He has to do, he has to see, he has to interfere.
Well, if there's a politician interventions of.
It's
development
not
activities,
case that
actually, my lord,
he wants to appoint somebody other than you. It's not your case.
My lord, this is the.
Is there enmity between you and the local MLA?
Yes, sir, my lord.
How?
That.
Have you alleged
Yes.
any, have you alleged,
Last assembly election. my lord.
have you alleged any malafide against the MLA?
Yes, my lord, I written here also,
So he is a party here,
not to make a
Then-
party, my lord.
then,
I am last assembly elections.
anyway, we're
I am
issuing
BJP
notice.
Workers, he is NPP workers. So that I against to him also. So that main intention is as per the law, my lord.
Sir,
As per law, tender is proposed.
sir, this court is not interested
My lord,
and this court is not,
tender is a-
this court is not,
my lord,
with due respect, like you, who is
Yeah, my
interested in the, all this thing.
your lordship, as per the law, tender has a floating as per formalities, as per the further formalities. If
What
it
is,
has
what is the
been-
law?
as
What
per
is the, what is the law? What is the law? That is what I'm asking. Is there any rule that it should be outsourced through the third party? Show us any semblance of documents. I'm not asking even for a rule.
Let me let why not matter may be listed on the Monday. Let you arguments on the Monday.
No, we'll issue notice.
On-
Why you should keep it
Notice,
unnecessary?
This time not requires, let me. matter
How do
will
you
be
know?
again
Then we-
listed on the Monday, let me up.
If you notice is not required,
Even also, my lord, this is just for the sharing of my knowledge. Even also NIT, National Institute of the Technology also, not invited.
heard
to the-
Mr. P. Bui, learned
My lord,
Council
that
for
interim
the-
maybe,
this-
my lord, at least though interim maybe.
on the prayer of Mr. Putobu, learned council, but you list this matter on 23rd. That's your prayer.
Yeah, Monday or Monday.
Nothing will change.
Oile, sir. Marvelous.
Yes.
My lord, what my projected case before the
Huh?
lordship is, what my projected case before the lordship is, I am the donor, I am the donee in the, we are three members. So we are the donee in the gift deed, which has been, appear in the annexure number A. Why the, my lord, gift deed of this annexure A, we are donee here. Where in the schedules of the property is the land along with the building and the allotment, land allotment has also been transferred to with us. Therefore, my lord, we have approached before the concerned authority, which is the deputy commissioner, for changing of our name from the previous owners of that building. And that application was filed before the concerned authority since, my lord, 8 July 2021. But this has been delayed, keep for delayed for a long time. So on our approach that why our allotment book cannot be transferred, we have been informed by the department, informed by the concerned authority that this cannot be done on the ground that the private respondents are objecting. Now I have gone through the record that why the private respondents are objecting. Here, my lord, the private respondents are objecting against us on the ground that we are belong to the same family and we have shared the land compensation at our native village, Bora Rapuk area at Bora Rapuk area. Therefore, the anticipation and the contention of the private respondents are that out of the land compensation, you have received that amount, and out of that, you have purchased this plot of the land along with the building. Therefore, this should not be transferred in your name until and unless the matter dispute between us to be settled. Their contention is that they are claiming that they are so belong to that land. And that portion, I just honestly, I submit that that portion we have not disputed. These private respondents are our family members. But here the issue is that they have filed a money suit against us. To that extent, the money suit is still pending. So on the anticipation that the money suit, for success of the money suit, this transfer of the land allotment should not be disturbed. Therefore, we have a limited period before the lordship that as to why this direction shall not be made to the concerned authority, that is the deputy commissioner and DLRSO of this concerned office, to finalize, to complete the transfer from the previous landholder to our names, in our names. That is the
You have
simple,
purchased the land.
yes, my lord. We have purchased the building. So, lordship may kindly come to the page number 15.
Just wait. Yes.
Page number 15. It is start from 15 to it's Malad will find that the schedules of the property in the page number 15 and along with the land allotment.
Can
No.
the land allotment be given on gift?
Yes, madam. When the land along with the building has already been sold, madam. When the land has been, land along with the
The
building
land
has
allotment
already
is-
been transferred in the form of
Land
gift.
is, the government land is allotted on lease.
Madam.
How you can transfer on gift?
Therefore, my lord, my respectful submission on the argument point of
What's
view.
the procedure of transfer?
My lord, so far procedure pertaining to the transfer is, my lord, that both the party has to, this give deed has to be submitted before the concerned authority. And we have done that, and accordingly, there is a form,
Where is the form?
application form for the transfer and the order.
Where is the
That
form?
is always there, and lordship will find in, and it is there from annexure B and C in page number 18 to 24, 25 to 29. Lordship may kindly come to page number 20.
20.
Yes. It is there from 19 actually. This is the form we obtained from the office. How, in order to change the allotment, this is the form we have filled up. It is there from actually 18, 19, 20.
Yes,
I'm.
not you.
Respondent number 4.
For it.
We'll hear you later.
Admittedly, after getting a representation from the respondent report, we have ordered the transfer.
What is the procedure of transfer? If there is any complaint, you cannot. If there is any complaint, you cannot process or you cannot transfer the land.
Legally, it's not their lordship, but then.
What is the procedure? Tell us. What is the procedure, madam?
Procedure is lordship when we get the application from both the parties. And that give deed lordship. Transfer is done.
It is legal. Is it legally permissible?
Lordship transfer is.
No, it's happening. I know.
Yes.
This court knows, but then is it legally permissible? When it comes to the court of law, it has to be legally permissible. I don't think so.
From father also to son is being transferred this way.
It's okay, that can be. But then you are selling it. You are selling it to somebody.
Documentary sale is not.
That's why I'm saying we have to see, we have to see behind the veil. One could understand from father to son, even husband to wife, but then to a third party. And that the allotment is on lease only.
But then when gift deed is there, is done.
That's why I'm saying whether the gift deed is legally permissible. Whether it is as per the law. If somebody has started, it cannot be. It has to have a legal sanction. Your action has to be supported with the legal sanction. Somebody has created a formula, that cannot be. If it is not before the court of law, it's okay.
Yes.
But if it is before the court of law, we'll have to go by law. Not by somebody he thought that it is the most feasible way to sort out the things. I mean, possible way to sort out the things. So there is a cloud.
The office, what we do is that.
So suppose if your action is not sanctioned by the law, and that's why I'm asking, suppose if there is a complaint, assuming that it is permissible under the law, if somebody makes a complaint against the transfer, you don't proceed.
It has been done.
No, that's why he's
Here in
aggrieved.
this-
So you have to
in this
justify
matter.
that.
This matter,
That's why he is aggrieved. Therefore, you have to justify
yes.
as an authority whether halting it or stalling or well not processing it. Is it permissible under the law if somebody makes a complaint? Anyway, yes. So there is nothing like a law or rules that you can proceed with when you'll have to halt it. There's nothing like. It's the wisdom of the deputy commissioner or the discretion.
Lordship, they haven't never.
Wisdom would be better, not the
When
discretion.
there is a complaint, the office used to hold the process.
Here, that property has been transferred, has been purchased from the compensation amount mean for the whole.
It is too remote, sir.
Yes, but kindly come to page.
Where is the money shoot? Money shoot is regarding what?
Money issue is regarding for same compensation. Before that, there was in Kebang, and Kebang has directed the petitioner to pay me 30 lakhs from that amount. That's a family compensation. After again, second Kebang was said. Again, that amount was reduced to 20 lakhs. They have not yet paid. So there is an order of this compensation team led by circle officer. They have attached this property. Unless dispute is resolved, the property cannot be transferred.
Okay.
So they have annexed that order, but that order is not put to under challenge in this petition. This is the main crux, page 34 of writ
Page
petition.
34.
Yes, writ petition.
Yes.
Last paragraph. Therefore, it is directed that amount the compensate amount received against the land, the title ownership which is under dispute shall not be diverted, converted, and the immovable property brought out of the compensation amount, that is Yes Bank building, shall not be transferred in name of Mojumri petitioner herein till disputed regarding title of ownership of compensation land is decided by the village authority of Maro Circle or Court of Law. They have blanket.
So what about this?
Yes.
There's no decision as on today.
Yes, this is in force. So on the basis of this, the attainment order, this DC Itanagar has not transferred the land in favor of petitioner.
So what is the outcome of this? This is of 2019.
Yes.
It has not been decided as yet.
Not decided.
Huh?
As per Kavang order, they have not yet paid. My part of compensation.
What about this page 41? Sorry. 2020, page 35.
Here only identify the land belongs to me.
Belongs to you.
Yes, belongs to me. But prior to that, there is in two Kavang where amount has been identified by the Kavang.
It's okay. This your whatever that compensation. What is the connection with this?
No. As per Kavang, they have purchased the suit land. from
Therefore, the
compensation.
claim of ownership of Sri Takal Rui over the land plots Jum has to true and he do the rightful owner of late Minya Rui has the right of ownership over land. Yes, these are the lands where the compensation was paid.
Yes.
Ah.
So after re-verification, this land has been identified in my favor. So,
Yes.
Some portion
So
of
these
land.
are the land
Yes.
where then what happened this this decision?
In my affidavit, I have annexed two petition prior to this.
No, forget that, not prior to that. After 2019, page 34. Till the dispute regarding title of ownership, the compensated land is decided the ownership of Maro Circle or the Court of Law.
it's still pending before this CGM the approval, Manish.
Not Manisha. The title of ownership, title and ownership of the land, compensated land
Yes.
is the subject matter before the civil judge.
Yes, sir.
Is it so?
Yes, after this decision, we have filed Manish.
You have filed Manisha.
Yeah. But the problem is they have not challenged this order.
It's okay. This is
Yeah.
timing.
But here it is written.
See, till the dispute regarding title of ownership of the compensated land is decided. After this, is this the order of 35? Page 35. Yes, sir. What about this page 34?
Yes, my lord, I admit this. This, after this, the motion has filed. No, I.
Now, what about this page 35? Where it
I'm
says,
not in the controversial about this. This is the best.
I am asking, I'm not saying that you have controverted.
Yeah.
This is the interim sort of order.
Yes,
All right.
Right.
Till the final is, after that they file a money suit.
motion.
Now, what about page 35? And come to page 42. And then rather 43. This is also decision by the circle officer, Maro. It
I
says,
admit,
therefore, the claim of ownership Takar Rui is the respondent.
yes.
Takar Rui is there, you are the respondent.
Yes.
Over the land, plot, zoom land, so and so, so and so. What about this? This is a decision in his paper.
Decision is in his favor.
Is the
I-
compensated land,
Yes.
the land
yes.
which compensation has
Yeah,
been
this,
paid.
this is the compensated. land.
So,
My contention is there is nothing relation, nothing connection with this matter. So far, my,
no,
This-
they say the consideration which you have paid for purchase of this building and the plot, land, is out of this money.
exactly, Your Honor. That is
And,
their
and,
contention.
and there's also compensation money, and there's a decision of the KEBA that you should share, you should give 20 lakhs. You have not paid, therefore there's a money suit, right?
Yes, right.
So,
So my
Is he
contention
right?
is there is
Deputy
nothing,
Commissioner is right.
and that is the different thing. If they success in the money should definitely, we can give them back.
You
That
have
is, that is
purchased,
a different issue.
No.
But here,
see, they have purchased, you have purchased the building and the land out of the compensation money, which he is
my
entitled.
lord, that is their
And
allegation.
you have not challenged this. No, it's seen. That's why I'm asking, page 43. The compensation, the land compensated is belong to the respondent number, private respondent.
And at the same time, my lord, I have, regarding this, I have also countered that out of this same money, same land, they have also received the compensation. That my lord will find
not
it
going
page
through
number
this.
40.
Have you purchased the building or land out of the compensation amount you have received, which is in dispute?
Page number 49.
Forget about that. Are you disputing or are you admitting
My lord.
that you have purchased this building
So far, my lord,
from the compensation
question of
which you have
purchase, my lord,
received
that is not
over the
here.
land which has been declared in favor of the respondent?
My lord.
Is it so?
It's true that I admit that portion.
If that is,
But
if it is true,
Thereafter, my lord, they
You-
have
you-
received the
you-
80% of the
you
consolidation.
you first settle the between the respondent and then approach the deputy commissioner.
What my submission is, my lord, if that will be settled and if that will be decided in their favor, that will be the subsequent issue. But here in this case,
See, you are admitting that the amount which you have, I mean, the amount which you have received as a compensation
my lord, At the same time, what I am trying to display the lordship, that if lordship come to the page number 49, they have equally, they have also received this amount. If my lord come to page number 49. Takal Rui, Taram Rui,
No, we're not concerned how much they have received or not, but the disputed amount which you have used for purchasing the building is a disputed amount. You
that,
settle it and go.
that honestly I admitted, out of the disputed amount.
Yes.
But what I am trying to display is that out of that, they have already filed a motion. So that will be decided in the consequence of that motion.
I think
For
they,
that, I am ready to bear if motion success. But so far, that cannot be interfered with the give deed. Here, I have received the
without the gift deed, if you have purchased a building and the land, how there can be a gift deed? Where is the sale deed?
that no said it has been.
Let us pull
brought
the
before.
curtain. What is the things playing behind? You have purchased. Once you purchased, what's the question of gift deed? Gift.
Definitely, my lord.
Then-
My lord, this, the question has been raised by this.
You have concealed
Since-
that, you have
My lord-
concealed that this building has
Yeah.
been purchased.
My lord, this is
Where is the
first-
sale deed?
This is the, my lord.
Where is the sale deed?
procedure
Where is the
adopted
sale
by
deed,
the.
sir?
My lord, I admit that
Where is the sale deed?
no sale deed has been, my lord,
So
enclosed here.
then what you have said that you have purchased?
Nowhere, my lord, I have stated that I have purchased. My contention, my projected,
Just come to the synopsis. The brief is that the petitioner has purchased the yes building. First line,
my lord.
you are a seasoned lawyer. Mr. Modi, being a seasoned lawyer, don't make a white lie.
My lord.
So
Now, despite of my lord, that it is undisputedly, my lord, that this purchase are
now
here.
next, you show us that what is the duty of the deputy commissioner? Under what authority or under what notification or your office or the government decision, the land allotted to a person can be given on gift to third person, and it can be transferred by the deputy commissioner.
So far,
It's simply someone's creation.
eh,
Some officer has created this because they are facing a difficulty in, resolving this issue.
exactly, my lord.
Whether referring it to the government
Yes,
or
my
the
lord.
state legislature to have a legislation.
Exactly,
on
my
it.
lord, because till today, this type of the question has not been raised by any court. Therefore, my lord, I'm honestly submitting that in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, my lord, many of the thousands of the building and these lands have been purchased, and thereafter, they make the gift deed, and in the form of the gift deed that has been transferred, and that are made on the basis of the direction made from the concerned authority. So this deputy
So we'll-
commissioner
we'll-
authority is the best to answer.
We'll keep it pending. Otherwise, I'm dismissing your writ petition. Since the larger issues are involved,
Exactly.
we'll direct the deputy commissioner to file appropriate application, clarifying this
On this.
on this.
On this, this
Heard
really,
Mr. C.
Yes.
Modi, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also heard MS GA to learned additional senior government advocate for respondent number 1 and 2. And Mr. K. learned counsel for the 1, 2, and 3.
3. 2.
1, 2, and 3, MS, then KW for respond number 4.
4 and 5.
4 and 5, yes. After hearing the learned counsel for the parties at some length, and important issue has arisen while dealing with the present writ petition with regard to the transfer of government allotted land to a third party by way of gift deed. Please stop. When the questions were raised, I mean, when the queries were made to the learned counsel to the parties, they fairly submits that they could fairly submits that there is no policy of the government, or for that matter, there's no rules or office memorandum, for that matter, any policy of the state to resort to recourse to such procedure of transfer of the government allotted land by way of gift deed. Please stop. Next para. This, although this case relates to, this case, this present issue relates to transfer of the building and the land along with the passbook allotted to one, what is the name of that person?
Likahali.
Huh?
Likahali Eloti.
Where it is?
In page 16,
16.
yes.
Gift deed. Huh?
It start from 15, Mr. Lika Hali.
Page 25. Likahali.
One Likahali to the petitioner by virtue of the gift deed dated 08/07/2019 for transfer of area of 88 square meter. Where is the building? There's no building.
Located at E sector Itanagar.
Where is the building? There's no gift deed on building. Located at E sector Itanagar. Building you can give, no issue. With the building standing on it. Next paragraph. Considering that the issue needs to be determined, as the same would have a ramification in the entire state, the matter is, let the matter be listed after 5 weeks, please stop. The state authorities shall file an affidavit placing on records the procedure adopted for procedure adopted for transferring of the government allotted land to the by way of gift deed listed. The state authorities shall also place relevant policy, relevant act, rules or policy, if any, in the affidavit for further consideration of this court. At least after 5 weeks.
All right.
The affidavit as directed shall be filed within on or before the next date of listing. You bring it, if it is there anything, there may be some policy.
Your Lordship, in this matter, maybe posted for hearing, Lordship.
Why? We'll hear you today.
Because
My lord, I have been requested by senior colleague Mr. Tony Pertin, who is representing the private respondent, my lord, to get the matter fixed on 16th of January, my lord. If my lord can accommodate my lord on 16, my lord.
the government is yet to file affidavit, but the government refused to file affidavit, saying that they will rely from this horticulture, agriculture and horticulture department. And whereas their duty in this case, nature of dispute is land department, especially the deputy commissioner is required to file affidavit to decide the issue, this nature of the disputes, because dispute is with regard to notification. Land acquisition is, process of land acquisition is not complete. That is the allegation. Process of land acquisition process is not complete. That is the allegation. So even then they're refusing to file affidavit, even then the matter may be fixed for hearing. So that the party may be.
Yes, what is that? The state respondent has issued preliminary and final notification on land acquisition while annexing the dispute land of so and so without any authority of law. Hence, is it not afterthought? You said compelled to take his own land on lease for certain period.
Yes.
You have taken on lease.
Yes.
Now you have come around and say, turn around and say that this is my land. You cannot acquire.
That was the period out of ignorance, Lordship.
You are an officer now.
No.
Are you an officer?
I'm not the officer.
You are?
He is the farmer. The
Sure.
petitioner is a farmer.
Are you sure?
Yes. Not the officer. A ignorant village man.
Okay.
Ignorance of law is not excusable, even then the Lordship. That has to be interpreted in another way, Lordship. That has to be seen. Justice has to be seen. Lordship, a matter will be fixed.
What? Justice has to be seen.
Yes.
It is not only seen, it is seen to be done.
Seen to be done.
Or done to be seen. On the prayer of land council will parties list this matter after 4 weeks.
Support.
Hmm.
I like it.
Yes.
Your Lordship, I would like to request the court to adjourn the matter.
Why?
As my leading counsel, Mr. B. Arun, is out of station for some medical emergency, and he will be only back after 10th of January.
What medical emergency? Yesterday he was here.
Yes, sir. Last night he went, sir, for his sister.
Okay. Mr.
T. Abo.
Learned Counsel for the Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B. Arun, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that Mr. B. Arun, B. Arun, an arguing counsel in this matter, has some, this arguing counsel in this matter has some medical emergency. Therefore, matter may be, the phrase that matter may be matter may be adjourned for 3 weeks. Phrase will list after 3 weeks.
Your lordship, it will, matter will be fixed on 15th of January.
You cannot fix it. What is the matter? Is there any urgency?
No, sir.
Is there any urgency? It's okay.
No, sir, he will be back only after 10.
Item number 11, 12, and 13. Basically interconnected matters, and private respondent has filed their affidavit today. So I'll be seeking some time to file a reply, Your Lordship.
Is it? This item 11. You are for private respondent. Who is for state?
Here, I think Jimmy Tarak is there, and he is absent today.
Okay.
Hold on.
More or less the extent taken matter, it's same.
So it is to be disposed of, taken up together. Item 11 to 14. No, 11
They are
to
different tender matters, different matters, but issue is almost similar. So therefore, they were coming together, all these matters, serially.
So you want
I want 2 weeks time to file my reply, Your Lordship, against the affidavit filed.
Mr. A. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner in all the cases?
All the cases, Lordship, they filed it today.
11, 12, 13.
I think his
Phrase
respondent
that
number.
He may be granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 5.
I pray that a matter will be taken up on 17th of February, Lordship.
Mr.
17th of January, sorry, 17th of January.
This okay, learned counsel for the praise allow. This okay, learned counsel for the respondent number 7. And Mr. A.M.S.
On behalf of
So appearing on behalf of
1 to 4,
Mr.
respondent.
Peter, learned standing counsel for rural development, rural RWD are present. List after 4 weeks.
On 17th of February, Lordship.
17 last day.
Or any date may be fixed. Otherwise, since I'm outstation counsel, it is difficult. to
Yes, when do you
track.
want?
Any date as per Lordship's convenience.
17.
I would otherwise be on 17th. I would be here, so I was praying for 17th.
17, I will be out of state.
I'll be only filing my
After-
reply on that day probably. So
After that, then 30 January.
30 January, yes.
30.
30, yes,
30,
30 January.
Yes.
Reply to us.
My lord, the same issue, my lord, similar issue has been decided by this honorable court, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, the fact involved in this writ petition, my lord, it is not disputed by the department, even the government, my lord. Only the issue is that, my lord, after the interview, my lord, here at night petitioner together, my lord. After the interview, my lord, there was a FIR, my lord, by Arunachal Karate Association. And on receipt of that FIR, my lord, SIC took up the investigation. After investigation was completed, charges was filed. While filing the charges, my lord, the 9 petitioners here in my lord, the investigation could not establish anything against them, and the document, in fact, filed along with the application, my lord, for appointment as TGT and PGT, my lord, it was found to be genuine, and therefore these 9 petitioners were absolved from the charge, my lord. There were altogether 32 candidates against whom FIR was lodged. Out of that, my lord, 9 candidates, the petitioner here in my lord. All the documents submitted by the petitioners
Hmm.
found to be genuine, and therefore, while filing the charge sheet, my lord, they were absolved from the charge.
Hmm.
And now thereafter, my lord, I'll-
You were appointed,
no, my lord, I am now seeking appointment only, my lord, because
you were selected.
yes, all the petitioner was selected, and that fact is not disputed by the department also, my lord. I have sought through the RTI, the file noting, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to file noting of the department, my lord. From that, it will be clear, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, the same case, similar case has been disposed of by this honorable court, my lord.
Same case?
Yes, similar case, my lord. That was arising out of the same FIR, my lord. My lord, may kindly come to the file noting, my lord. From that, everything will be clear, my lord. From page number 66, my lord. This does from page number 66. Because I am, my lord, I am not revealing the fact that I have applied for the post, I have faced the interview, because all those facts are not disputed. Therefore, I am straightway coming to what the issue is now, my lord, which has to be determined by this honorable court, my lord.
Where is the opinion of the law department?
My lord, may kindly 76, my lord. 66, sorry.
No, nine petitioners. You
Nine
come to
petitioners.
76.
Yes, my lord.
Then where is this?
My lord, the opinion of the law department is at page number 81, my lord. Otherwise, all the noting, my lord, it goes in our favor only. Not by the secretary, the assistants and all, my lord. Page number 81, my lord. May I read, or my lord is reading, my lord?
Yes.
Now, my
No,
lord,
they have advised to take permission from the.
yes, my lord. That is what it is very surprising, my lord. It is not the JMSC, my lord, who is the authority to direct for the appointment, my lord. That is why, my lord, we are before your lordship under this 226, my lord. It is very surprising that my lord, law department is giving such an opinion that a person should seek direction from the judicial magistrate for appointment, my lord.
What is this page? This is, you are relying on this page 85.
Page 85.
Order of this court, judgment and order.
Yes, my lord.
Hmm?
Yes, my lord. My lord.
Same. But there is a
No, my lord.
direction.
FIR is same, my lord. FIR is same. It was lost by one Kippa Kaha, president of Arunachal Taekwondo Association, my lord. FIR is same, my lord.
But this is what? This is declaring the result of Baiba Boshi personal test held on 15/01/2020.
Yes,
How you can say that once if the result is not declared, how you can be?
my lord.
Result has been declared in your case.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Where it is?
My lord may kindly come to,
So where you are relying on this? Why?
because my lord, their case also, my lord, because of the SIT investigation, my lord, the selection process was put to halt, my lord. Therefore,
So
they
court
have,
is directed to declare the result.
yes, but in our case, my lord, result has already been declared. But only the issue is that, my lord, what the law department is saying is that, my lord, since the trial has not been
Where is
completed, my lord.
Where is the charge sheet?
Charge sheet, lordship will find the charge sheet.
No charge sheet against you.
No, my lord, no, my lord. No, even it is in the noting of the department, my lord. May I take you to
Not
that portion, my lord?
nothing. We'll just see the reports.
My lord may come to page number 60, my lord.
Twenty-one candidate has been charge sheet for producing of thing figures. Page 61.
Phase 60, my lord. Phase 60. This is the relevant portion of this charge sheet, my lord. Further, based on the report received from local associations so far, the certificate of the below noted candidates who were in select waiting list for the post of teachers in the education department and candidates who applied for post of J in power department were found to be genuine, my lord. These are the person against whom the allegation was found to be this false, my lord. And the documents submitted by them were found to be genuine, my lord. My lord, here serial number 1 is Diarita. He is the petitioner number 7, my lord. Serial number 2 is Nangbia Yalu. He is petitioner number 9. Serial number 6 is Menu Tajo, who is petitioner number 8. Serial number 9 is Mokar Asi. He is petitioner number 1. Serial number 12 is Taba Manya, who is the petitioner number 4. Navam Jeria, who is at serial number 13, he is petitioner number 2. At serial
Who
number,
else are there? One.
my lord.
Serial number 1
Serial number 1, yes, he is there, Diarita, my lord.
and 2,
2 is there, my lord.
3.
No, my lord. 1 is there, 2 is there, 6 is there, 9 is there, then 12, thereafter 13, 14, 15, and serial number 20, my lord. They are the petitioners.
Yes.
So, my lord,
Where is the selection list?
yes, my lord, let me take to my lord to selection list, my lord. At page number 54, my lord, 54 to 56 is the select list, my lord.
50.
My lord, yes, I have marked. My lord may come to page number 55, my lord. Page number 55, there are so many select candidate, my lord. I'll just pinpoint the petitioner, my lord. My lord, my
Yes,
I'm appearing for on behalf of.
that's the problem.
my lord,
Have they filed the affidavit?
no, my lord.
In fact, the record, we have received the instruction.
What do they say?
Instruction doesn't say much about the.
We'll take it about 20, we'll dispose it on 24. 24, huh? You filed the affidavit. All right. Not Mr.
Yes,
D. Come the counsel for the petition. Mr. Arkoyo, learned counsel for appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Tagore, learned counsel for the learned counsel for Education Department. Submits that he may be granted some time to file the affidavit as he has received the instruction. Praise the Lord. Let this matter be listed on 24
yes, my lord.
1/2/2024. List of the learned standing counsel to file the affidavit by 23rd.
My
12,
lord.
2020.
Obliged, my lord.
You go through the judgment, I mean, which they have relied. Which you have annexed this one, that which you are relying. The
Ye-
judgment passed by this
Yes,
coordinated
my lord.
bench,
Yes, my lord.
the annexed one,
Yes, yes,
which
yes.
you have annexed.
Yes, my
Or
lord.
any other judgment.
No, I've just annexed this judgment. my lord.
You go
No,
through
because
that, you go through that also. But there was, the direction was to declare the result.
here,
Here they have been appointed, I mean, selected
yes, my lord.
for appointment.
Only for this appointment only, my lord.
Why you have not annexed the complete charge sheet? Why one page?
My lord,
You
since,
try to find out the,
since that is not disputed, my lord. This,
you have not annexed, but try to get hold of that.
this charge sheet, my lord,
Hmm.
it will be this corroborated by the order passed by the JMFC, my lord. I have even annexed the order passed by the JMFC, my lord, because since there is no dispute, my lord, this is not the issue, my lord. Even
No charge sheet, in fact, has been filed against him.
charge sheet has been filed, but we have been absolved, my lord, because
Absolved by-
our documents were found to be genuine. my lord.
Absolved by the JMFC.
Yes, my lord.
Which page?
My lord, JMFC order, my lord.
Discharged or absolved?
No charges has been filed against us, my lord.
So that's why I'm
There
saying.
is no point
That's why
for,
I'm asking, why, whether there is a charge sheet against you or not.
no, my lord.
So
No.
I'd like to have that,
Yes,
if you have, if you can,
Yes,
that full copy of the charge sheet.
yes.
Yes.
My lord,
Regender not yet filed.
my lord, I have got instruction from the petitioners for withdrawal of this
Okay,
writ petition.
both three repetitions,
Yes, my lord.
There are three.
15, 16, 17.
No, my lord, just I can make him.
Yes.
Oh, sorry. I've got my one is 18. Sorry.
Yes, who appears?
If you look at, referring to the same level.
Hmm.
The last occasion, rejoinder was supposed to be filed by the petitioner.
Hmm?
Rejoinder was supposed to be filed.
Yes. Where is Mr. Mo? Where is Mr. Mo? Just inform, we'll see after some time. When to withdraw?
Yes, my lord.
Mr. N. Karga,
Yes, my lord.
learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this petition.
My lord, liberty may be. My lord.
With the liberty to file a fresh list of prayers allowed. Expire. Writ
Your life.
petition stands dismissed on withdrawal with the liberty as prayed for. In the item 15, this one.
Lordship, in item number 19, I am for the respondent number 1 and 2. There is an allegation against me saying that I have violated the order of the Honorable High Court. Lordship, I filed in my reply as the payment which has not been given to the petitioner.
Hmm?
The payment which I have not made to the petitioner, that he has, there is an absent, he had not joined his duty. He has joined his duty, but he has not performed his duty on that date.
So what is the order of the court?
Order of the court, Lordship, as of the,
Let us see where it is. Where is the court's order?
there is in Lordship, page 20, which in the contempt
20?
20 of the contempt.
20.
Yes, sir. 20. That is page 22, Lordship. That is the interim given by this honorable court. Lordship, it says in the interim, considering the submission made by the learned senior counsel for the petitioner and the material on record, the transfer order dated so and so, that is 25 to issued by the Deputy Director of School Education, Upper Siang Yingchong, with regard to transfer of petitioner from so and so, and the release order dated so and so, releasing the petitioner from so and transferring the petitioner to and shall remain suspended till the next returnable date.
Yes.
So this is Lordship, and as this they have interpreted saying that his salary has not been given to him.
But he's working.
He's working, Lordship.
He's still in and transferring the petitioner to GUPS ALC line Tooting. He's still there.
No, Lordship, he has been transferred back to his NBS mowing, that is for earlier where the
Okay.
equal order has been-
NSCBA moving to GPS.
Yes, Lordship.
With regard to transfer from Soha. Mowing, he's in mowing.
Yes, he's in mowing, Lordship.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
There is no violation.
There's a pause for Delhi, Your Honor. So, Your Honor, the contempt petition has been initiated for the reason that they have not allowed me to rejoin after the order dated
What?
329
They've not been allowed you to?
rejoin. Secondly, Your Honor, I'll come to the facts, Your Honor. The brief facts of the case is that immediately.
No, I understand. You tell us whether the order, how you have not been allowed.
So, Your
To
Honor,
rejoin. He said you have been allowed.
Your Honor, kindly come to page annexure number 18, Your Honor. Annexure number 18, page 57.
This is the order.
Annexure number 18, page 57.
57.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have forwarding joining report. Yes.
Annexure number
Intimacy with regard to page 54.
57, Your Honor.
Yes.
57.
What does it say?
So, Your Honor, it says it's an intimation letter to me and it reads as, with reference to the above cited subject, to apprise you that your transfer had posted at GUPS ALC line Tooting on regulation of your service, and accordingly you were released on 8 July 2024. But it was seen that you have not joined even after release order issued. Subsequently, a show cause notice was issued for defying the government order. Further, to make the matter worse, on contrary, you went to the court challenging the transfer order issued without joining, which shows non-compliance of government order during the provision period of your newly regularized service as PRT. So, government may initiate necessary action as per CC's rules. You know, this was after the court had.
No, this is the fresh cause of action. You challenge this.
No, this was challenged. This was challenged, Your Honor, and this was stated by the court, by this honorable court in order.
Other writ petition.
No, in this order, in this proceeding only. When an order dated 30/10/2024, Your Honor. In this by this court, in this proceeding only, Your Honor. Order dated 30/10/24.
Where it is?
This is order. So this was stated in this.
Where?
It has not been annexed, but it's part of the record, Your Honor.
Which page? Tell us the page.
This will be part of the order on 30th in this proceeding only, Your Honor. It has not been annexed, but
In the contempt petition.
in this contempt petition only, Your Honor. Order dated 30/10/2024, Your Honor.
No, that's what I'm saying.
It has not been annexed, but it will be part of the record.
30th?
10/2024. Honorable Justice
The
Malipang.
receiver had to file the show for reply. This 28/8/2024.
No, 30/10/2024.
30/10.
Yes, sir.
No, this order is of 20.
8/08/2024.
It's okay. May initiate necessary action as per CC. That has been stated.
Yes, Your Honor.
But what I'm saying is, what You are alleging the non-compliance of 1908-2024,
And additionally, this also.
where your release to the other school has been stayed.
Yes, Your Honor.
So what they are saying that you are still in this earlier school, that is mowing,
Yes, Your Honor. So.
NCBAB mowing to UPS, GUPS, ALC land tooting.
Yes, Your
You are there now.
Yes, Your Honor. So.
Then there is no contempt.
No, Your Honor, kindly, Your Honor.
We'll see the writ petition, not this contempt.
No, Your Honor, annexation number, so in this order, Your Honor.
Where it is.
Lordship,
Your affidavit.
my affidavit will come to Lordship, page 65, annexure A. This is his joining report. May I don't know.
Page
65, Lordship, annexure A. This of my affidavit in opposition.
joining of duty.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, Gelong Nankar.
Yes,
Then
no, this is
what
21
is of joining?
and since Lordship, and this was forwarded by the headmaster of on that is on a page.
So
Okay. And
where-
Lordship,
where have you said that this is we have been allowed to join?
Lordship, I have stated in my, and Lordship, I'll kindly take to page, that is on a page 67. This is his monthly attendance report. They had come before this honorable saying that his payment was not made. Lordship,
No, what is this saying? They are saying payment.
that's on last occasion. May I can Lordship?
Forget it, yeah.
no.
What is this? What we have to decide in this proceeding? Though, what is there a violation of the order of 19/8/2024? That's all.
And Lordship, I've stated he's now.
Had you allowed him to
Allowed him,
join,
Lordship.
then
He's
what do you
joining.
have to, what is your reply? Tell us, show us. Submit the petition after rejoining and
Page,
without
Lordship,
notice or
paragraph 5.
Why not happily? Why not happy? It's a contempt proceeding. Why you are trying to justify?
No, Lordship,
Either he has been allowed or not.
he has been allowed,
Either-
Lordship, and after joining, he has not performed his duty, and now on.
Who we are to say this is a contempt proceedings? Whether he is performing, not performing, what's your, what?
Lordship, we have allowed, and from 4/11 of.
Sir, this is a contempt proceedings.
Yes, Lordship.
We'll have to see whether you have complied with the court's order or not.
We have complied that, Lordship.
Then subsequent, whether he is absent or not, you have a different, you have a power to take action. Who is stopping you
Yes,
that?
Lordship, in my paragraph 5 also, I have stated, with regard to statement in paragraph 7, the deponent beg to state and submit that the petitioner after rejoining on mowing on 26/8/2024, he has rejoined, Lordship.
Your Honor, my humble submission is they have not allowed us to reach.
And the facts are not repeated. Where is para?
Paragraph 5, Lordship, of my,
Prior to interim order, so and so the facts are not repeated for sake of basis, does not deem it to necessary. Since the petition is pending before honorable as per the interim order, the petitioner has rejoined the NSB mowing. That's all.
Your Honor,
and
kindly,
then also on paragraph 6 also, Lordship, I have said he has joined resumed his duty from 4/11/2024 regularly, Lordship. So
Your Honor, kindly come to, Your Honor, on annexure 17, Your Honor. That is the rejoining we have submitted. I have submitted, Your Honor, on 20/08/2024, Your Honor.
We have taken note that he has been allowed to join. You have been allowed, petitioner has rejoined and rejoined NSB mowing.
Yes.
You will take note of this.
Your Honor,
Statements you will be allowed to, other will not consider.
Your Honor, kindly, annexure number 15, we have submitted a rejoining letter. But then, Your Honor, they have not accepted, Your Honor. They did not accept it. They have, in fact.
Where on affidavit he is saying
Your Honor, that is
that
the
he's
point.
been allowed.
Your Honor, that's the point of
Then
contention.
you
Your Honor.
come back.
That's, Your Honor, we have filed a rejoining wherein we have stated that they have not allowed us. And Your Honor, and this was noted by this honorable court in order dated 30/10/2024, Your Honor. And they have again, this honorable court has again ordered for rejoining of the petitioner. Therefore, Your Honor, again on 5th November, we have submitted. After 5th November is when we have rejoined our service, Your Honor. Now, there is malified intention on the part of respondent number 1, Your Honor. And this is primarily, Your Honor, because of my political allegiance, Your Honor. And I have done nothing wrong, Your Honor, except that I have exercised my right to vote to any candidate which I wanted to. Your Honor.
Yes, this court has passed an order on 30/10. In view of this court finds the letter is to be stayed till the next date of then the rejoining. Until then, rejoining report of petitioner may be accepted by the respondent. The petitioner to file their so-called reply on or before. Yes.
So
Where you have said that you have been you have accepted the joining report.
Lordship, we have, in my Lordship, in the money, he has rejoined on 26. Lordship, kindly.
No, he said he has rejoined, but you have not accepted. That
No,
is the
Lordship, that is,
problem.
Lordship, that's why I put the
You
money.
file a proper affidavit. It's not happily drafted. We're not happy. You try to justify that he's not doing his duty or something like that. It's
Lordship,
a contempt proceeding.
Yes, Lordship.
We only see whether since the transfer order has been stayed, whether he has been allowed to rejoin or not. That's all.
that
He has filed a reason. He is saying, filing this contempt is saying, though he has submitted a joining report, you have not been allowed. He has not been allowed. So instead of saying that he has just rejoined, you have to say that on the black and white, you have to say his rejoining has been accepted. And this letter which he has shown indicates that you are not happy with that he has approached this court. You are a DDSC.
DDSC, Lordship.
Then, and your affidavit is happily not drafted. We cannot accept. By 24, you black and white, whether he has been you place the order, I mean, before this court, the order of allowing, accepting his reasoning.
Lordship, now he's performing his duty. That also we have made. And 411 now he is like regular.
Your Honor, so
Heard, Mr.
Your Honor, kindly.
M. learned consent for the petitioner.
Your Honor, sorry for the.
On perusal of the so-cause filed by the alleged contemptor, this court is not convinced that after the interim order of this court, the petitioner has been the joining report of the petitioner has been accepted as the alleged contemptor has stated that he has only stated in his affidavit that the petitioner has rejoined without any order or any order or statement that his rejoining has been accepted. Mr. The alleged contemptor to file
Your Honor, kindly call
to
for
place the order on 24th
Your Honor,
to show that the petitioner has been allowed, the rejoining of the petitioner has been accepted.
Your Honor, kindly call for the attendance of the contemptors, Your Honor.
Appropriate order shall be passed on next day.
Lordship,
24th.
Your Honor, kindly
Lordship,
call
a
for
week
the,
may be given since
No,
this is from
no.
Yingkyong, Lordship.
You talk to him today.
Your Honor, kindly call for the attendance of
You
the
can-
contemptors, Your Honor.
No.
there is a need for-
We'll pass appropriate order on that day, 24th. The way you have the manner and the tone and tenor you have drafted the affidavit, we are not happy. Tell him. Next, there may be consequences. We'll pass appropriate order. You just try to evade the order of the court or circumvent. Because if he is not doing in duty, you have the authority. Of course, you have taken a step, but then court has stated that also. Court has stated that also.
Yes, Lordship.
So, in a contempt proceedings, if you are not, I mean, if you are not agreeable to the order passed, there is an appeal provision.
Yes.
If it is not taken to the appeal, you have to, in any case, you have to comply with it. You cannot circumvent.
That Lordship,
You see, you read your affidavit.
we have said Lordship, he has joined, but
Mr.
after-
Vijay,
Yes, Lord.
as a lawyer, you look into your affidavit, the affidavit of the things. We're not happy. We'll pass appropriate order if it is not placed. The acceptance order is not placed on 24.
Yes, Lordship.
Consequential order first. You talk to him over the phone today.
Yes, Lord.
Tell him if he has not been allowed to, if his joining has not been accepted as on today by issuing appropriate orders. Because they have his violent contempt proceeding. Is it a joke? Nobody will like to approach the court like this. There must be something.
You know, one more point.
Of course, we will determine, but we are not happy the way, the tone and tenor of your affidavit. Can they look into it? Advise him properly. Yes, next. What is this? Award service report in respect of non-appears for the petitioner on call. Award service report in respect of response 6 and 7.
Others, my lord, in this case, my lord,
Standing counsel,
yes, standing counsel.
learned standing counsel, power department is present.
In this case, my lord, a retender was already issued, my lord, on 5/6/2024, my lord.
So there's the stay.
No stay, my lord. Retender and awarded was also.
Proceed.
Obvious.
List after 4 weeks, huh?
Obvious.
Nobody is appearing. What can we do?
Number 21.
Award service report in respect of respondent number 2, 3, and 4. List after 4 weeks.
Number 22 and 23.
Yes,
What is this?
matter before taking up the matter, I am the request your lordship to allow me to correct some mistakes
What mistake?
in naming the respondent number, private respondent number. There is 6 and 7. 6 and 7 is a private respondent respondents, but I have written in the petition as a 7 and 8.
See, actually, nowadays, CIS doesn't support. You have to file an amendment.
Yes.
Instead of what you said, what is to be corrected?
This is respondent number 7. 7 should be read as 6. And instead of 7, it should 8. It should be 7. There is no 8. I have mentioned that instead of respondent number 6, I have mentioned it as a respondent number 7.
Yes.
Who has been awarded the work. Work was actually awarded to respondent number 6, not 7.
6 is capital enterprise.
Yes, my lord.
So you want that this respondent number 7 should be struck off?
Yes. No. It should be in the item respondent number 6. I have wrongly mentioned.
Who is MS Yana Enterprise?
Yes, that will be 7, respondent number 7.
Then 6.
But 6 is capital.
So?
But I have mentioned 7 as 8. 6, 7, and 8.
No, it's a where you have said?
In every portion of my petition, it is written as 7 and 8. My lord.
You have to correct it.
And in the last order also, it was this honorable court has noted that work has been awarded to 7, but it was actually awarded to 6. It should be 6.
No, for that, sir, you have to correct it. You have filed an application.
Yes, ma'am.
The last order in the writ petition.
Yes. In every writ petition, I have mentioned private respondent number 6 instead of 6 and 7.
Sir, in that case, you will file an appropriate to correct the order that has been recorded by the court.
Yes.
Correction you have to file. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have mentioned in all the paragraphs,
Yes.
you will have to file an appropriate application.
Yes, ma'am.
Heard Mr. N. Kago, learned counsel for the applicant / petitioner, right?
Yes, petition.
No, Mr. N. Kago, learned counsel for the applicant / petitioner submits that he may be granted some time to file appropriate application for amendment / correction amendment / correction of the writ petition as well as the interlocutory application. Please stop. Prayer is allowed. When do you want? You have to file an application. In that application, we will allow. Accordingly, it will be, you have to file a amended petition.
I'll file it as early as possible.
This after 4 weeks.
No, Your Honor, because there is no stay, but work is going on. So today I have filed one IA.
You are for petitioner.
Petitioner.
Today is for what?
Today was for, just, it was, today was for,
No, IA is for what?
IA is for stopping the payment
Why?
of the said work, because on the last occasion, this
If
court
there
has-
is no stay, how can we stay there?
but today stay was, prayer for stay was to be considered today. It was as recorded in the order.
Who appears for the respondent? Who appears for the respondent? Which department? Gitarak.
Or Jimmy Tarak, are the only.
Yes. So if you have this, you have to file that.
So, my lord, regarding this is work has already started.
No, when you have not, once you have not corrected, how can we? First you correct it.
So on 24.
24?
24. Oblige.
What is this?
Your Lordship, we have to file our terrorist comment, Your Lordship. We have not received. We have to file our
Heard
complaint.
Mr.
T comes in.
T comes in, London Council for the petitioner.
Interim order is there.
On the prayer of Mr. Y. London State Council. List this matter after 4 weeks so as to enable him to file affidavit in opposition. List of,
Interim order is there.
interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Lordship.
15 to 17.
Your Lordship, in this matter, this counsel is from Guwahati, so he couldn't come today. So
So-
maybe agent.
So we'll dismiss
No, Your Lordship, maybe agent for other.
on the prayer of,
And his name may
MS.
be, his name may be reflected in the course list. Vedanta Osik. It's in the,
submits that MST so London Council submits that in this 15 to 17.
yes, Your
Writ petitions, Mr. B. Kaushik, London Council shall be appearing. Mr. Therefore, see President matter may be adjourned for 6 weeks, 4 weeks,
4 weeks, Your Lordship.
4 weeks. Raise the list after 4 weeks. Raise C to reflect the name of Mr. B. Kaushik, London Council for the London Council in the daily cause, in the cause list.
Major.
Whatever that we do, unlisted. Unlisted.
Yes, it's
Yes, who is appearing? Same party or what? Yes, same is that of who is Kamsi? Affidavit in opposition. Yes,
Yes, Your Lordship, very regretfully, I beg to inform that Mr. Arjun Navam, he is having some health issues, therefore, he's absent today.
arrest never.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Who is for the petitioner? One Kamsi was appearing, almost similar matter as that of 24,
Yes, Your Lordship.
disqualification.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So same order.
Same prayer, Your Lordship.
Why this petitioner? Whether you will vacate the stay?
No, Your Lordship, actually, he was in the belief that 24 and 25 has
It's
been
not
called together.
with no. The records is there. We could have hear it. Tell him, inform him. Same order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
24.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Why this has been listed today?
My lord, on the basis of the fix earlier on the day before yesterday.
Hmm?
So my lord, almost this record so far the case has been gone through. Now I will take the lordship to directly to the page number 54. If my lord come to the page number 54.
No, you have mentioned on the day. One N Chatum. On your behalf it was mentioned.
No, my lord. This matter was taken up on my lord 18. And after hearing for certain extent, my lord, this matter has been fixed for today, so that the government can go through the particular judgment which I have relied here in the WPC number 2 of 2022. Here, my lord, I have relied that these are the similar case and the similar order has been passed by this honorable court. So my submission would be this is the almost this is cover up matter. And coming
Cover up matter or covered case?
cover case, man. So my lord, coming to the record, if my lord come
If
to
it is a cover up case, we will dismiss the writ petition.
my lord, here the direction has been made, man. Now, my lord, may kindly come to page number 54. I feel it important to, my lord, go through this court. This is the epicenter of the present case before the lordship. 54?
You are challenging this?
No, my lord.
Then?
Out of this, my lord, I would like to read out it. In complaint with the order of the judgment of the Honorable Guwahati High Court in connection with the writ petition number such and such and such and such and such, as the petitioner of state of Arunachal Pradesh, the respondent. It is clarified that the petitioner has submitted the representation of such and such, and accordingly the file was proceeded and obtained a provision and occurrence of the finance department on 28 to 18. However, the state finance department reiterated that in view of the implementation of Arunachal Pradesh Chief Minister Universal Health Insurance Scheme since 2015 onwards, the amount admissible as per the medical reimbursement, medical advance will be required, restructure modalities, and no fund allocation shall be provided for the medical advance and the medical reimbursement from 2015 to 16 onwards. In view of the discontinuation of the Arunachal this scheme and replaced by the new Chief Minister Arogya Arunachal Yojana, there some more time shall be required to streamline the medical reimbursement issues. In view of the above facts and the facts, the respondent authority is now unable to clear the medical reimbursement area to the petitioner until the state government revoke the order stated above, and the petitioner's case will be pursued only after the procedure of the CMA is notified after the government policy decision. The Honorable High Court order number such and such has been complied. So this is the government assured that my case is supposed to be considered after the notification of the CMA. Now, my submission is, my lord, this CMA has come to the enforce. It has been
This is,
started-
in view of the above fact, the respondent is now unable to clear up the medical reimbursement. There was a direction of this court.
My lord, there was a direction of.
This is
this
the
court.
second round of litigation.
My lord, this is the in the first round, WBC number 24 of the 2018, whereby this court has directed to consider my case, whether my case, this reimbursement to be met. So while disposing of that, in compliance of the order, the government has, my lord, here decided that they are ready to proceed my case only after the procedure of the Chief Minister Arunachal Arogya Yojana is notified. Now my submission in this case is Chief Minister Arogya has been notified. Though it was notified on 16 August 2018, but it has come to the implementation has started from 8/1/2021, my lord. So my respectful submission in this case, so far the MR bill is concerned, that was, my lord, recognized by the board. So MR bill is undisputed. So whether the government can consider up to whatever the amount is there or not, but my case need to be considered, placed before the department to consider how much of the amount should at least this direction, my lord. I am praying before the lordship to pass at least to this direction so that my case be considered by the department. Because here the government has already assured whenever the Chief Minister Arogya Yojana will be implemented, that my case was supposed to be considered. And it has started from since 8 January
After
2020.
the procedure of CMMA is notified, after government policy. This is because policy has been taken, policy decision has been taken.
Yes, this has been taken and this has been implemented since 8 January 2021.
From where we can say that?
Lordship, it is in the earlier judgment also reflected.
No,
Yes,
if you
it
are,
gets-
if you see if it is your case that since the order has been, the government has decided that your case will be processed only after the procedure of CMAY is notified, after government policy decision. And if it has been, policy decision has been taken, then the law which you have, the judgment which you have relied is no application. Because the challenge there's no, the
But,
policy.
proportion of the, my lord, both the case are same. In the judgment what I am relaying is, my lord.
APCMUHIS and replaced by new Chief Minister's Arogya Arunachal Yojana.
The case which I refer is, my lord.
Where is that implementation? Of the CMAY? So APCMUHIS is no longer there.
No, it's still, my lord, that is there.
Then what is the CMAY again? Because page 58, this office memorandum clearly said it is to inform that the medical treatment cases which is not covered under the existing guideline of so is under examination health and family welfare, and it shall be restructured. Such cases may kindly be re-examined till revised guideline. Any revised guideline? Any revised guideline, sir?
My lord.
Then
So per my lord, no particular.
Are you
right
challenging
guidance.
this? Page 58.
No, my lord. Instead of the recommendation medical reimbursement, order is to inform that the medical. Till the revise, here, what they say, the restructure of the SAS case shall be, revised guidelines are issued. Now my claim is that my case need to be considered under the CMA.
What is your prayer? There is nothing. You only say that they directed to clear the reimbursement bills,
My lord.
nothing else.
Because
That's why I wonder, you are submitting something and there's nothing in on your record. Read your paragraph. Eventually, you want the reimbursement, but then you are making a submission which is not in your prayer.
my lord, my case was.
What is the earlier order of this court?
In page number 50.
50.
This is the case started by Borua, Mr.
Shall be possible to communicate. No, that's why I mean this. If we pass like that, if the way you are arguing that it should be under the after the since they have the authority has after the order authority has considered your case and after the policy decision only they will take a call. Now I want to see what is this decision after that.
Well, so far no decision is there.
Then, how do we understand? Yes. What is your stand?
Lots of in the affidavit, our stand is very simple, only that
Yes, your stand is what? As per the office memorandum, the finance department sanction rupees 5 lakhs only out of total amount as per maximum ceiling limit.
we
So
said
that
that
is admitted prisoner has submitted representative release of his spending, which is also correct that this department is unable to pay medical reimbursement of bill of due to non-allocation fund by finance. The state policy disposal of presentation and initiative necessary funds.
we have two affidavits, Lordship, by one by
Bill through speaking order.
respondent one and
The election news of Mr. Universal and the office number and that. Yes, then other one is by
this one is by Lordship.
who is respond number 2? 1 and 2.
1, 2, Lordship.
One is the Commissioner PWD who has passed the speaking order in the page,
Allocation of medical bonds to a tune of rupees.
Page number
50
50.
on investment business, the same had previously been received by finance governing meters. Now I still wonder, but ironically, he has been approved by.
The court's compliance order is annexed in our affidavit also by respondent number 1, Lordship.
Further, after the implementation of APCMA, there is no fund provision particularly, therefore the finance department has nothing to comment on it now. Plans for yet to
Non-availability of fund has been also.
the element
Stated.
shall be verified, verifying authority as per the order mentioned. Have you enrolled yourself?
Madam?
Have you enrolled yourself
Yes, ma'am.
in CMAY?
Yes, ma'am. So, my lord, my respectful submission, my lord. This is the case, my lord, where the government has never been, my lord, questionable. But the government has taken the time on the ground that there is a paucity of the fund during that time. Therefore, this respondent number 1 has passed the order that since there was a two
See, that's
scheme.
what I'm saying. Once all this scheme, CMAAYY,
Yes.
this is with it says page 5 of this respondent number 2, para 10. They state that CMUHIS was discontinued and replaced by CMAYY, and as per government so and so, beneficiaries are required to enroll through so and so for availing the benefits of the scheme. Although details of so and so will be verified by the petition, claim needs to be routed as per proper procedure of CMA. This CMAY scheme provides any reimbursement?
Yes.
Where?
I have this notification also on 8 January 2021.
To the employees.
This
It is open to the public also, to the
is
employees.
open to public and employed. My lord.
Reimbursement
Reimbursement.
by cash or check? Where it is?
My lord, may kindly see the
Financial up to rupees for the
point number 2.
Tertiary healthcare listed in annexure of this guideline, it comes under the difference target for this would be of company of close and so and so. And they are saying that Medanta Global Health Private Limited Gurga is not empanel government or private hospitals. It may noted that Medanta Global Health Private Limited is not among the empanel hospital as per the Gazette list, also previously mentioned in trial number 5. No, what I'm asking is, if he has to be, he is claiming a 42 lakhs something,
That's it.
which he has already spent. But CMM, this scheme, I think any treatment will be borne by the procedure is the state, but that has to be routed, the hospital, they'll pay the hospital, not to the patient. Empanel hospital, they will reimburse the empanel hospital.
Not so
And
the.
usually he has
actually,
just submitted some documents and which is
No
not the,
instruction has been, that procedure has not been reflected in our, this one, so. I can say.
And it has to be implemented by Health and Family Welfare Department. This to frame the guidelines for implementation of the by family pro Chief Minister irrigation society. Whether you have enrolled yourself or not.
Enrolled, man.
Where? Just don't say enroll on the air. Where it is? Obviously, you will not enroll. You have filed a writ petition in 2018.
Man, it's there, man. It's a writ petition of 2000.
Unless you have enrolled yourself, how can we direct also? Modi sir, very difficult.
So in such situation, may I pray, my lord, I'm yet to exercise on the certain part. So.
No, we're hearing you every day, almost three consecutive occasions, 3 days, we're hearing you. Every day you are coming up with a new thing.
No, my lord, my stand is same since from the very beginning.
See, if you have not enrolled yourself, how can we be direct you to the considered case under CMAY?
That is dear.
And do you don't know? I could find that there you have to enroll yourself. Number one.
My lord, honestly.
If you don't enroll yourself, how can they consider your case? Number one. Number two, whether this CMA will apply to those old cases which you have undergone a treatment. Most probably it will be prospective. Therefore, it doesn't provide for any cash or it talks about cashless only. You come up with all these instructions clearly. All right? Or should we decide today?
My lord, I will show the last chance. Otherwise, my lord, so
otherwise it will be vague and it's of no use in directing you to consider again and again. First, we'll have to be clear about this.
Otherwise, show my lord to what my case.
And one affidavit they are saying, say you have crossed the ceiling limit of 5 lakhs, which you have already availed. Is not it? So you find out what is the CMAY is all about. Whether there is a provision for whether it will have an application before coming into the policy or to the cases where it has been where the patient has undergone treatment. In other words, whether under the scheme of present scheme, claim of medical reimbursement
can be or
applied or can be considered under this scheme. Whether there is a payment of such a claim.
Yes, ma'am. I will come with all clarification.
I will also take instruction also regarding the process.
Final procedure, you say, find out what is the procedure I mean, this thing. Because we'll have to be sure. Or Mr. C. Modi, learned counsel for the petitioner, and also had MSG at the learned additional senior government advocate for the state. State response. After hearing the counsel for the parties at length, no. After arguing the matter at length, Mr. Both the learned counsel submits the further time may be granted so as to enable them to come up with the clear stance on the application of the scheme of the state, namely CMAY. You just said Chief Minister's Arogya Arunachal Yojana within bracket CMAAY. Particularly as to whether the scheme would be applicable to those, applicable for a claim of medical reimbursement prior to coming into force of the said scheme. Is not it? The petitioner also place on record whether he has registered himself under the said scheme. Even for direction, you have to, register yourself. List up to 3 weeks. Mr. Udral?
Yes.
With Liberty?
No, madam.
Okay. Mr. H. Lampo, learned counsel for the petition, submits that he may be allowed to withdraw this writ petition. Mr. Prayer is allowed. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on withdrawal. Dismissed on withdrawal. Closed. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Dismissed on withdrawal. Closed on withdrawal. Dismissed on, disposed of on withdrawal. Now say closed on withdrawal.
Interim order that may be. Interim order is there.
Interim order automatically gets vacated. You just say interim order, if any, shall stand vacated.
All right.